A man was spotted on the side of a freeway hurling rocks at passing traffic. One of those rocks struck a motorcyclist, knocking him off his bike and sending him tumbling across the pavement. A wild end to a high-speed motorcycle chase. Cops were right on the suspect's tail as he tore through city streets. It all came crashing down when he clipped a car at an intersection, but instead of staying down, he jumped up and ran. After hopping a fence, his luck ran out. Police caught up and took him into custody. This was a brutal and costly crash. A motorcycle slammed straight into a Porsche, leaving a bloody scene. This motorcyclist got insanely lucky. He blew through a red light at full speed, slammed into two cars, and somehow landed right between them. Despite the brutal impact, he walked away without a scratch. Could have easily been a much worse outcome. Dusra, a reckless group of bikers terrorized a family on the road, deliberately blocking their car from passing. When the driver honked and tried to go around, they cut him off again, flipping him off in the process. One biker, furious, demanded he pull over, but her crew had to drag her away before things got worse. A man on a motorcycle was flying through residential Los Angeles at over 120 miles per hour, pushing the limits. But the reckless ride ended in tragedy when he slammed into a car, getting thrown hundreds of feet. He didn't survive the impact. Lane splitting is always a gamble. You never know when a car might cut you off. And this woman learned that the hard way.
You stink! I'm gonna call 911 for you. That was a pretty hard hit. Are you on 911? Okay. Can you move your other leg? Okay. Your arms? Good. Go ahead and send one. That was a hard hit. Yeah.
You've never seen a police chase like this. Pure insanity. A biker tore down the freeway at 100 miles per hour, pulling off stunts, standing on his seat, even taking a selfie while two motorcycle cops chased him down. But like most high-speed chases, it all ended the same way. Guns drawn, cops closing in at a gas station, and the wild hour-long ride finally over. A police chase in northwest Oklahoma City ended with only the motorcycle in custody. It all started with a routine traffic stop, but the rider refused to pull over, leading cops on a wild pursuit through city streets. He finally pulled into a driveway, ditched the bike, and ran inside the house, leaving his ride behind to take the fall. A terrifying motorcycle crash caught on camera. This rider went full speed straight off a cliff. In a shocking twist, he didn't hit the ground, but slammed into the top of a tree instead. In that split second, his body flew through the air, but somehow he survived.